Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. Today we're going to see if we can get Ollie to open a big piece of corn with the husk still on it as a kind of stimulation, puzzle, enrichment kind of thing. So, I need some grain. Alright, here we go. Let's get this rubber band off and disappear. What is this thing? You see it? He's never seen one of these before, so he's probably pretty intrigued. I left the silk on it and everything for him to play with, if he gets to. No. What's that? Wow. What's that, bro? Yeah, that's the wrong part. That's the wrong part. I also have another little puzzle here that hides little things and you gotta figure out the door to open it. So Ollie's munching the silk. Can you hear him clicking his teeth trying to chew it? He rarely makes that sound. It's kind of weird. What else you got in here? Oh, you found the mother load. Get it, bro. Get that thing. What's going on with it? Truck sound scared him. So I've sneakily managed to get corn into the little puzzle here. See, corn in there. So hopefully if he gets bored with that, he'll walk over to the other puzzle. I'm keeping him on the leash right now because I want to keep him focused on the activity. And in traditional Ollie style, he's going to drop all that all over me. Oh yeah, you liking that one? Here. What about this part? You got one last rusk to get off. Can you finally do it? Yeah, you like that, huh? That's his little way of saying thanks. You're welcome. How about that? Oh. So he thinks I'm taking the best part, probably. Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Ollie? Look at this one. Try it. That's funny. He's only interested in the rust in the silk. Oh, he was almost. So what I'm gonna do is collect all the distraction and make him go for the main event here. What? It's okay. I'm sorry. Come here. He really likes the silks. Yeah, what you thinking? Got him a little piece of corn. Want that whole thing? Come down here, bro. What's in there? Oh, you see it? Yeah, you move it. There you go. Look at that. What about this one? Oh, you knew immediately. Oh, you already knew that, huh? What about that one? Oh. Good job. Is that good? Is that good, bro? Is that good, little bro? Yeah. Oh, you're well done. Oh, yeah. But wait, there's more. So Ollie's still very young, so he won't grab this giant corn. I was looking for baby corn, but I couldn't find it. So I had to go with the big sweet corn. I can hear him just cracking that in my ear. Get some more of that one. I wonder. There you go. Good job, Smarty Pants. You gotta let me refill it, Stinky. You little butt. Is that good corn? Is that good corn? You like that one? Oh, 2 corns in that one. Good job, you're so smart, huh? You think you're so brainy, monkey? Is that good corn? Thanks for watching, everyone. It looks like Ollie enjoyed his little game time, and he likes sweet corn. Thanks for watching on the channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of baby squirrel monkey. Please like and subscribe.